So, good morning, students. Again, I am with you with basic substance. Today's topic I told in previous video of this chapter, acids, base, and salts. We have covered all the acids of the natural as well as mineral. So in this video we will go through the basic substance. So first of all, we must know what are basic substance. These are the generally compounds that react with the acids and form salt and water. For example, they are the oxides and hydroxides of metals. For example, sodium oxide Na2, you can see on the screen Na2O, and then calcium oxide CaO, then sodium hydroxide NaOH, and then you have calcium hydroxide Ca bracket holes 2. Then ammonium hydroxide and ammonia. These are bases in the nature and they react with the base. Reaction with the base and acids are called neutralization reaction. So this is important term. What is neutralization reaction? It is the reaction between acids and acids and bases, alkalines. So they have given you example here. Suppose Na2O, sodium oxide will react with the 2HCl acid, that is acid hydrochloric acid, and it will form salt NaCl. NaCl is salt and release water. Salt and water, in every case, if one acid and base is reacting with each other, that is called neutralization reaction, and in this reaction what we get the product salt and water. So next we have, there are antacids, soaps and toothpaste are some things containing base that we come across in our daily life. You can see on the screen there are antacids like Gelocil. If your stomach is having acidity, the doctor suggests this Gelocil because it balances the acid in your body. It will react with the acid and will form water and salt. Then alkalis. Yes, alkalis are the bases generally. Soluble bases are called alkalis. Common examples are sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxides are also called caustic alkalis as they cause burn on your skin. Because they can burn your skin, that's why they are called caustic alkalis. Then how are bases formed? Bases bane kaise hain? How they are formed? Bases are generally formed in the following ways. Number one, by the direct combination of metal with oxygen. या तो direct they are combining with the metal and they form the base. For example, magnesium plus oxygen, that forms the upon heating, that forms the magnesium oxide, sorry. Then by the action of water or steam on the metal, if you are steaming or you are freezing that with water, that is called the base can be formed. For example, NaH2O, Na plus water ले लिया, so sodium hydroxide you will get and hydrogen also, and magnesium and hydroxide, magnesium and water will form magnesium oxide plus hydrogen. Similarly, you have by the action of heat on the some metal carbonates, for example calcium carbonate, it will upon heating it will form the calcium oxide, that is quicklime जिसको आप चूना बोलते हो, that forms and it is base. And behavior या characteristics of basic substance we have, like they are generally bitter in taste. Bitter मतलब कड़वे होते हैं थोड़े से, if you will taste that, and it turns red litmus into blue, that I have told in previous video also. And they neutralize the acid, means they will neutralize the acid and forms the salt and water. And caustic alkalis corrode the glass and some metals like aluminium, zinc and tin and lead. Then bases generally used for various purposes. For example, they are used for the neutralizing acid and acidic substance. For example, when you have hyperacidity, the doctor gives you antacids, that I told you, Gelocil, its name है ना. And an antacid is generally a base of magnesium hydroxide which neutralize the acid. So the question can come, which base the doctor provides to the patient of hyperacidity. Hyper means ज़्यादा amount of acidity हो जाती है जब हमें, तो मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड दिया जाता है और इसका फॉर्मूला आप लर्न कर लेना, MgOH whole 2. Then ammonia is used for manufacturing nitrogenous fertilizers like urea, ammonium sulfate and ammonium nitrate. These are the purposes of bases. Then caustic alkalis, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. K is the symbol of potassium. So potassium hydroxide are used in making soap from the oil and fats. Then lime, CaOH2. इसका आपने फॉर्मूला लर्न कर लेना है. समटाइम्स दे आर आस्किंग इट इज़ यूज्ड एज वाइट वॉश, जो आपको बताया था मैंने चूना, दैट इज़ यूज्ड एज वाइट वॉश. एंड कलर्ड ऑक्साइड ऑफ मेटल लाइक आयरन, कोबाल्ट, क्रोमियम एंड कॉपर आर यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग कलर्ड ग्लासेस. Then metal oxide like magnesium oxide, calcium oxide and aluminium oxide formula Al2O3 melt only at a very high temperature, so they are used for making refractory bricks. Refractory bricks can withstand high temperature. Okay, then we have salt, our next topic. Salt. Most salts are neutral substance. They are formed in the following way. How they are formed? By the direct combination of metal element, या तो डायरेक्ट उसका कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, देन इट कैन फॉर्म Na plus Cl, NaCl. ठीक है, MgCl, MgCl, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम क्लोराइड, these are the salt we have. And by the action of acid on metal, अगर acid metal पे react कर रही है, then also it will form, that I told in previous in a basis when we started. By a neutralization reaction, some examples which we have discussed earlier, now only we have discussed like magnesium hydroxide with sulfuric acid or हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. ठीक है, सॉल्ट्स फाउंड इन नेचर. अब सॉल्ट जो है वो अर्थ में भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दैट वी एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड फॉर्म द यूजफुल सब्सटेंस फर्दर. फॉर एग्जांपल, सॉल्ट आर फाउंड इन द सब्सटेंस ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट एंड large number of them dissolved in rainwater and are discharged into lakes, rivers and ultimately into the sea. Salt such as chlorides, bromide, iodides and sulfate of sodium, potassium, magnesium and calcium are obtained from the seawater. Soil and rocks are vast source of salts, some of the which are mentioned in the table. You can see here salt where they are present. Sodium chloride is a common salt, rock of common salt. This is derived from the source like rock salt, और इसको हम rock salt भी कहते हैं. Sodium carbonate, soil of some areas, for example is called सज्जी मिट्टी, उसको सज्जी मिट्टी भी बोलते हैं, साजी मिट्टी in Hindi, and used in a place of washing soda. washing soda की जगह उसको भी यूज़ करते थे प्रीवियस अर्लियर टाइम के लोग. ठीक है, अब सोडियम नाइट्रेट, इट्स चाइल्ड saltpeter. Huge deposits are found in Chile, that is in South America. Then potassium nitrate, niter, a white woolly crust on the soil. ठीक है, वाइट कलर की होगी नाइट्रेट, and woolly means as the name indicate like wool. Then calcium carbonate, limestone, all soils and limestone rocks, कहीं भी soil पे मिल जाएगा आपको calcium carbonate. Calcium phosphate, all soils contain this, and phosphate rocks also. Then we have metal silicate, all soils and mica and china clay, these contain metal silicate. So these are the occurrence. They can ask in 1 marks or multiple choice, so you must revise it well, that you will not face problem. Then we have next uses of salt. Now what are the uses of salt? They are also given here. Sodium chloride, a flavoring agent in the food. We all use common salt at home, that is sodium chloride. And manufacture of hydrochloric acid, और इसको manufacture किससे किया जाता है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl से. Then sodium iodate, A supplement of common salt, iodine in food prevents the disease goiter. आपको पता है that we have done in previous classes, iodine is a useful substance to prevent us from the goiter disease. ठीक है, and so that is also from sodium iodate we get. Then sodium carbonate, a washing soda, and to make glass, and it is also used to make glasses, and glasses होते कांच को बनाने में यूज होता है ये. सोडियम बेंजोएट, अ फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव, फूड को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट, अ फर्टिलाइजर एंड अ गन पाउडर एंड मैच स्टिक, जो मैच स्टिक के आगे लगा होता है दैट इज पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट, और मैच स्टिक जिसे जलती है ना वो पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट होता है. एंड गन पाउडर. Then ammonium sulfate, as a fertilizer we use ammonium sulfate in our field. Then calcium carbonate is a limestone that I told you, it is used for the whitewash purpose. और सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री का ये सबसे मेन पार्ट होता है. सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री जो सीमेंट बनता है उसका रॉ मटेरियल आपका लाइमस्टोन होता है. ठीक है. देन कैल्शियम सल्फेट, इट इज़ यूज एज अ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, दैट इज फॉर्मूला इज गिवन CaSO4.H2O. ठीक है. एंड when any limbs broken या आपके फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है बोन्स में, तो उसको फिक्स करने के लिए एक बाहर से लेयर लगाई जाती है जिसके थ्रू आपकी वो सेट हो जाता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. एंड in the cement industry, gypsum is also used. Calcium sulfate is also used. The calcium phosphate, it is also used as a fertilizers, manufactured of fertilizers. Bleaching powder, it is disinfectant and bleaching agent. Bleaching agent जैसे आप वाटर प्योरीफायर के लिए यूज़ करते हो, डिसइनफेक्टेंट फ्लोर क्लीनिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एलम, पोटाश एलम जिसको बोलते हैं पोटाशियम एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट, पोटाश एलम, ये भी एक डिसइनफेक्टेंट की तरह काम करता है, वाटर प्योरीफिकेशन के लिए काम करता है. एंड in dyeing industry also. ठीक है. So this is all about the topic, and if you have any query you can put down in the comment section.